Hello guys, and welcome to this channel.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
This one guys is automatic probing. I will probe the Z. So that this is my program, and we'll go to other cavity, Z again, and it will do the other side, rotate 180 degrees, then probe the other end. And it will do the probing on internal diameter guys on the side. Close. Should be fine. It's safe guys. So I set my job on 2B blocks. Probe the diameter of the side of the other piece, and that is my program guys for doing the internal diameter. M165 P9814. The diameter of the ID is 30 mil, and the value will be stored to G59. And I'm going to mill the internal diameter of the bore using 16 mm end mill carbide. And this is the only program that I have guys for milling the internal diameter. So I've used cycle, pocket cycle. So that is the treadmill guys. Doing the helical thread on inside diameter. So this is guys our program. So it will stop to 2.708, and that's our pitch. And this is our first rotation coming from our first dip, which is minus 25. So watch out guys, it will stop to 2.708. So guys, after that one, it will go back to the center of job, which is your datum or the origin. It will go up, and then guys, I will show you. This is my tool. I have only one insert, but for flute, if you can see guys, that is the thread using the helical threading. Thank you again guys for watching this tutorial video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up, and also please leave your comment down below what is your thought about this tutorial video. And If you have any suggestions, if you have any thoughts that you want me to vlog regarding this tutorial or anything that you are interested in, please leave your comment, and I am very sure that I read all your comments. See you guys on my next video.